Hey everybody, we got a 2008 Lincoln MKZ doing rotors and brakes. The first part, this is part one. We're just gonna do the rotors. So just get your Torx bit. You're gonna have to take those Torx nuts bolts out, and you're also gonna take the brakes off, obviously, so that you can replace the rotor. You're just gonna go behind, find the two bolts to the right of the ones to the right of the screen, not those, but the ones to the right of the screen. They take the whole brake assembly off. You're gonna remove those. So to get your Torx bit, go ahead and get that out the way. That way the rotor comes off. It's gonna be loose, and then you're gonna take the brakes off and hang them out of the way. Now the C clamp is going to compress the piston, so it may be easier to remove the brake assembly. Just make sure the back end of the C clamp is on metal, not on hoses, not on clamps, not on anything sensitive. So once you compress that, you're going to come back here. You're going to have to get a ratchet and a socket or a wrench. You're going to have to loosen those two bolts that hold the brake assembly on. Remove that and hang it out of the way. Lift off your rotor. Get your new rotor situated. Put it on. Remember, line up the holes where the Torx bits go. You're going to put the Torx bits in, get them seated, and go ahead and tighten them up with your ratchet or whatever tool you use to pull it out. Now this is part one. The part two is going to be for replacing the whole, the brakes and the pads. So if you just need to do the rotors, this is fine. Just make sure you tighten everything back up. And put everything where it's supposed to go to the right specification. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. And watch part two if you need to do the brakes.